Right, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a piece of technology called autograph in order to solve simultaneous equations, to give you the geometrical interpretation of solving simultaneous equations. So, here's an example. Solve x minus 2y is equal to minus 2 and 3x plus 4y is equal to 24 by a graphical method. So what we could do is go to what we call autograph. Now here I have already set up a set of axes, and I've actually drawn nice graph paper. In another video earlier on I can show you how to set the graph paper. Now to write down the equation, we go to this one here that equals with the plus sign, and we're going to put in, let's put in this 3x plus 4y is equal to 24, and let's get rid of that equation 1 and we get a line here. So here we now have the equation of that line. Okay, if we want to label the line, if we just put the cursor on the line and make it go black and go to text box, which is here, and then press OK. And then we can take the text box out here, grab that yellow thing here, there's a little yellow thing on the end here, grab that with the cursor and then we can point it to it and everything. Now yours might come out with a blue background, that's fine, I've just set mine to be different. Click to make it go back red. Then we're going to enter the second equation, so to remember to do that we need to go to the equals plus sign. Okay, and we're going to put in x minus 2y is equal to minus 2. Get rid of this equation 1 thing. Okay, and press OK, and we get that one. And now can you remember how to label it? So stop the video and try for yourself. Okay, make this go black, go to the text box, which is this one here, when it's black, and it will automatically give you the equation of the curve, of the line or curve that you're considering. So we'll take that one and we'll label that one as well. Okay, and click away, and then we've done that. Now obviously we can see very clearly from this that the intersection is at 4, 3. However, the software will do it for us. Now if we click the first one, make it go black, press the shift button, and keeping it press the second, so they both go black. Now either you do right click or you go to object, which is this one here, press object, and you've got one thing here, it says solved f of x is equal to g of x. So if you click that, okay, and it will put a point on the thing, and then in the bottom corner here it would actually give you the solution 4, 3. Okay, so I'm just going to click off that and then click on that. If I go to my text box, which is that one there, it will actually label that for me. So I'm just going to take out all that and just write down the solution. Okay, so I need to take a bit more out, take those 2 brackets out as well. Okay, so write down the solution, and I can put an arrow like that to the solution. Okay. Then, if we now go back to our piece of work, okay, I've sort of reduced it a little bit. Okay, so here's what we got. Here we got the point of intersection, and the point of intersection is x is equal to 4, y is equal to 3. You see that by, if I draw the line out like we used to do in IGCSE, and the line up here, which is what you really should do in your solution, yeah? And then press that being 4, and that being 3. Okay, and then we can write down that the solution is x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. Okay, that shows us how to use technology. When you do the exercise, what I suggest you do is that you try to use the technology to give you the answers to the questions once you try to do it. Okay, so you should practice this because it's quite useful at IB, this skill.